What's up, guys? This is Walker with the Car Guys YouTube channel with Jake Fry, the car guy. We got him recording today, but we got something very, very special for you. This is the first 24 Ranger Raptor that we have on the Car Guys YouTube channel.
Whoop, whoop.
Beautiful velocity blue color. And guys, don't forget, if you want one of these things, this one's spoken for, but if you do, hit us up at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com. We'll get that order placed. Can't promise how long it's going to be, but we will get it in there with Ford to where you got one on the way. Well, we'll go ahead and get started with your front end here. Something we're going to notice with the new Ranger design and also the Ford Ranger Raptor design is your new grille area and also the new headlamp design.
New front end.
So you've got the Ford badging along the front. That's going to let you know that's the Raptor trim level on this thing, your top tier level on the Ranger. And this is also new, the first year that they're bringing the Raptor in the Ranger model in the United States. So,
what kind of performance differences we looking at here, Walker?
So we're pretty much in your standard 2.3 liter, you're looking at about 270 horse. With this thing, you've got a 3 liter twin turbocharged V6 putting out about 405 horsepower. Very responsive, very peppy, and it goes nice with the 10-speed transmission in this thing. But guys, we've got the performance LED headlamp right here, and those will kind of turn just like on the Ford Lightning and also the higher trim level F-150s. And you've got that nice kind of C LED ring around the whole assembly itself. Independently activated fog lamps, and you got front parking sensors along the whole front side, so you're not going to bump into anything. And also you're going to have your front facing camera and 2 side mounted cameras for your 360 imagery, your bird's eye view, and also down here you've got your adaptive cruise control sensor to keep you a set distance between you and the vehicle in front of yourself. Front tow hooks, if you ever need to tow your buddies out of the rut, this truck is definitely capable of doing that. We got our new BF Goodrich KO3s. So this is a new tire that they just released, and they're starting to put them on the Ranger Raptors, and it's mounted on this nice aluminum rim here.
You know what's better than KO2?
Oh yeah.
KO3.
KO3. But we got our vents right here. Not quite sure if they're functional or not, Jake,
But they are brand new, and we haven't seen them before. You know, they might have slight functionality, but they got a lot of style.
Exactly. But you got your turning indicators. Of course, you got your blind spot. You got your side mounted camera up under the side mirror. Keyless entry. You got your key code to input it. Perforations in your side rails here for when you're going off-roading.
Raptor specific.
Raptor specific. And also one thing that's Raptor specific is the truck body is a little bit wider itself, and you got these flares that poke out a good little bit to kind of help you as you're going off-roading. Also you got your Ford Performance mud flaps on the back, and then also your amazing Raptor badging along the side. I love that thing. This guy decided not to go with the graphics package. I mean, I wouldn't really pay $750 for some stickers. I'll do it myself. Anyways, aside from that, you've got your backup camera. You've got zone lighting up under here. Dual tipped exhaust sounds very good, and you have adjustable exhaust modes that you can change the sound of it.
Different look on the exhaust than we've seen too. Kind of a brushed aluminum or almost a not quite chrome look, but it looks really sharp.
I really do like it. But you got measurements along your tailgate, areas for your clamps. This one had the spray-in direct from Ford. And also, if you guys notice, when the tailgate dropped, it's got that tailgate dampener. But you got power outlets in the back, and you got a regular wall mount that I believe you can activate from the interior. Raptor badging on the back, it looks great. You got your tow hooks and your hitch, and then the 4 and 7 pin connectors. But we're going to go ahead and get you a cold start for that 3 liter V6 twin turbocharged 405 horsepower. Let's hear it.
Let's get it.
What's up, guys? And coming along to the interior, Jake just gave you a quick shot of the window sticker. $58,000, and there's a lot to talk about at that price point. So something very cool about this thing is that you can get into a very similar performing vehicle for about $30,000 less than the Bronco Raptor, and that's why we like the Ranger Raptor. That's why I opted to get one myself.
Same
I got
engine
one on the way, same engine, just tuned slightly different.
Same transmission.
But Jake, hop on in. We got a lot to talk about.
Lot to talk about. Look at that screen.
So we see all the new accents along the interior, and of course they redesigned the new 24 Ranger. So we got carbon fiber accents. We kind of got soft touch suede accents on the dash and also along the seat interiors that go good with the leather on the seating as well. But they got this nice kind of sporty design for the seating that hugs you very well. So when you're going off-road and going your racing stuff, you're going to be sitting very comfortably. So you got your new shifter, that's new as well. So we got our drive modes, we got all this extra stuff down here to help out. So it'll park itself. You got traction control, auto start, stop.
Run through those drive modes, Walker.
So we're gonna go ahead and rotate this knob here to see our drive modes. So we got normal, off-road, Baja, and we got a rock crawl mode as well. And coming along, we got a normal sport for that exhilarating driving experience, tow mode, and then also you got your slippery. So a good range of drive modes for different driving conditions. Ford's got you taken care of. But we're gonna go ahead and show you all this new inside stuff. So you got your large Sync 4 touchscreen on the center stack here. So a lot of cool stuff. You got a lot of options you can choose from. If you notice down at the bottom, you've got your gauges for your climate controls, and also you got the physical gauges down right below that. So which is super nice. I really like the physical gauges itself instead of kind of messing with the screen while I'm driving. So something super convenient that Ford really thought of. But we'll kind of show you our camera here. This is your 360 kind of viewpoint of the vehicle. So keep that door real quick. So we got the full 360 all around the vehicle, and then I believe that's got our front facing camera, but we can pan between a few different options as far as what we want to see. So we got just the front, we got the front three, the rear view, if we're backing up to a trailer, and then just kind of our side view. Super nice, but makes going off-roading, backing up the trailer super easy and super simple. But guys, do not forget to like and subscribe. Hit us up at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com. If we can get you one of these things, we're more than happy to help. But we'll show you a quick shot of the steering wheel here. So something new. So you got your leather wrap steering wheel, and it's different from your regular Ranger steering wheel. You got your Raptor badging at the bottom. And you also got along your right-hand side, you got Raptor modes, steering modes, suspension modes, and also your exhaust mode. So it's very customizable as far as what you want to do with your vehicle. But as far as your safety driving features on the left-hand side, you've got your adaptive cruise, you've got lane centering, and also you've got the voice controls and volume controls from the steering wheel. But huge digital dash behind your steering wheel. You got all your RPM stuff, your MPH, all your fuel, all the gauges you need to view your performance stuff.
And Bang & Olufsen sound system.
And it's got the Bang & Olufsen sound system. We just listened to this prior to kind of get a feel for it, but the thing sounds great. Oh, it definitely bumps. But guys, you definitely got to hear it in person to really experience it for yourself. I'm really liking it, and I'm looking forward to the new one coming in. But guys, I think we covered most of the stuff. We're going to be getting you some driving videos pretty soon. I think Jake's going to hit a video as well. But do not forget to like and subscribe. Hit us up at Certified Car Guys if we can get you any info. But, you know, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's how you're going to keep up with us.
Big facts there, guys. You see it here on the screen, and you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. If you hadn't done it, you're messing up. Peace.